Good afternoon, all. Namaste. I'm Kalyan Appa from Lauritz Knudsen. I take care of entire South India, 5 state sales part. So prior to Lauritz Knudsen, we were called as Larsen and Toubro Switchgear division, which has taken over by Schneider Electric. Now the new name is Lauritz Knudsen. So we are present in agri irrigation product, starting from motor starters. This product is there in the market since more than 6 decades, and we are the pioneer for agri irrigation product, starting from starter, controller, spare part, automation product, water level controller. Even for that matter, we are present in flat cable as well.